Just hold on. Okay. So for this tense that we are going to start, we will need a few basic things, which is why before we directly go ahead with this tense, we will cover up a few things, basic things in present tense first. Okay. So here we start. Welcome back. Okay. We know we have covered ER endings, IR endings, and RE endings in present tense already during the last class. ER endings are as follows in front of you. Let me know if you have any doubt. So basically what you do is you drop the ER and then you add the endings E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So IR, it is IS, IS, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT. So RE, you drop the ending RE and then you add the new endings S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. Okay. One thing to remember, nothing means you will not leave out the space blank over there. मतलब सपोज अ वर्ब इज वॉन्ड्रो VENDRE, वहां पे आप RE ड्रॉप करोगे तो बचेगा क्या VEND। तो VEND लिखना है पर उसको कुछ नया एंडिंग नहीं लगाना है। ओके, सो नथिंग मीन्स एग्जैक्टली यस शिवानी, नो न्यू एंडिंग हैज टू बी एडेड। यू नथिंग मीन्स ब्लैंक नहीं छोड़ना है, RE ड्रॉप करने के बाद जो बेस बचता है वो लिखने का। ओके, आई गो अहेड। Now these are the four verbs that you need to know when you go ahead with the new tense. Savoir, okay. Here out of the four verbs, the two verbs are something that you really know very well. Avoir and être, we have been doing this since a long time. Okay. So I would want you to focus on savoir and vouloir. Savoir is to know, vouloir is to wish and to want. Okay. Vijay, those are the exceptions that you have typed. We have not yet started with imperative. Okay, I'm still talking about present tense. So savoir, avoir, vouloir, être. The four verbs that are on the screen, they are in present tense. Okay, we are still talking about present tense. Savoir, je sais, tu sais, il ou elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils, elles savent. Avoir is something that we've done a lot of times, so I'll skip that. Vouloir, je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut. Nous voulons, vous voulez, il, elle veulent. The important thing over here is in the nous and vous, it is VOULONS, VOULEZ. But in the ils and else form, VOU changes to VEULENT. तो ये स्पेलिंग जो चेंज हो रहा है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोटिस एंड रिमेंबर. Etra is something that you already know. Okay, let me know once you are done with savoir and vouloir. I'll change the slide. Also, I would want you to keep noting the verbs. In the last class, we covered etre, avoir, aller, venir, faire, and dire. I think, yeah, these verbs. In this class, we added two new verbs, savoir and vouloir. So make a note of these verbs. It will help you for your preparation during exam. In case you missed out on any verb, you can go back to the recordings and make a list. Okay. Savoir and vouloir is done. I see Lisha says done, Palak says done. All right. Palak, I'm going to unmute you.
Yes.
Yes. Palak, I want you to, hi, good evening, dear. I want you to give me the conjugation of savoir.
Je, SAIS, tu, SAIS, il, SAIT, nous, SAVONS, vous, SAVZ, and ils, SA, one second, I think I missed, SAIVONS, vous, SAIEZ.
SAI कहाँ से हो गया पलक? पलक, okay. Start करो, restart.
टीचर जल, SAIS, tu, SAIS, il, SAIT, nous, SAVONS, vous, SAVEZ, and ils, SAVENT.
Excellent, एकदम perfectly बोला, very very good. Thank you Palak, mute yourself. Okay, next one we ask Konda. Is he there? Let me check if he's there. Yeah, he's there. So I'm going to unmute you. Can you hear me, Konda?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We'll start with Vuluvar, Konda.
Je VEUX,
Hmm?
Tu VEUX,
Hmm?
Il LVEUT,
Very good.
No VOULONS,
Yes.
Woos VOULEZ,
Correct.
Ils Else VEULENT.
Very, very good, Konda. Thank you, dear. We mute you. Okay. So these were the two basic verbs along with etra and avoir for this new tense. I'm still going to display a few more verbs. Ale is something that we already covered in the last class. So I won't ask this verb once again, but you can have a look. Okay. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. This verb is used for which tense? Let me know in the chat, everyone. Yes, very, very good, Shivani. Very good, Palak. We use this verb for future proche. Very good, Lisha. Okay. Now I'll go ahead with another verb. We have ashete over here. If you see आशेतेर में हमने क्या किया, er ड्रॉप किया. ओके, आशेतेर का er ड्रॉप करने के बाद एंडिंग्स चेक करो. e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. So ये रेगुलर वर्ब है, but there is a little irregularity in this. Okay, that little irregular part is highlighted in yellow color. Okay, येलो कलर में दिखाया है. So the irregular part is that the second last e, काउंट करो second last e, मतलब t के पहले वाला e आएगा. T के पहले वाला E is your second last E. So what happens to that is, yes, E changes to E grave. Okay, you are changing that E to E grave हर जगह पे, except in nu and wo. If you notice, वहाँ पे कोई change नहीं है. So this is the only irregular part over here. I repeat, the endings are the same. E, es, e, ons, ez, ent. So that is regular. The tiny irregular part over here. Second last E changing to E grave for all the subject pronouns except in nu and wo. Okay, let's go ahead with another verb. They are called as semi-regular verbs. Okay, semi-regular मतलब half regular, half irregular. तो हमने आशेतर में देखा regular part था endings are the regular part, and then half little irregular part over here is highlighted in yellow. So manger also goes in the same way. If you check the endings e, es, e, ons, ez, ent, little irregular part in the new form, you add an extra e before the ons. Okay, add an extra e after the g in the new form only. Add an extra e after the g in the new form only. This is your irregular part. Okay, अगर आपको याद होगा तो न्यू फॉर्म का एंडिंग ons ही है. यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा ई हमने ऐड किया है बिकॉज दैट इज द टाइनी इरेगुलरिटी ओवर हियर. ऑलराइट, यस, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट शिवानी, खाली न्यू फॉर्म में इरेगुलर है यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट वन, कमोसेर. कमोसेर भी सिमिलर इन द सेम मैनर, खाली न्यू फॉर्म में इरेगुलर है. एंडिंग्स चेक करो, ई, एस, ई, ओ एन एस, ई जेड, ई एन टी. एंडिंग्स आर सेम. सिर्फ न्यू फॉर्म में यू ऐड सी सेडिया, सी के नीचे सेडिया, सी के नीचे उल्टा सी. Okay, this happens only and only in the new form. C के नीचे उल्टा C in the new form only. Again, C के नीचे उल्टा C in the new form only. Okay, that ulta C is called as sedia. That is an accent I'm sure you all are very well aware of. So there are three irregular verbs that we covered, semi-regular verbs that we covered. Asheter. Okay, asheter में what we did is changed the second last e to grave, e grave. second last e को e grave में change किया हर जगह no and wo को छोड़ के. All right, next one we did manger. Yes, now this manger वाला rule is applied to all the ger ending verbs. जो भी ger verbs में end होता है वहां पे extra e after the g in the new form only. Okay, all the ger. So another ger verb is nager, nager to swim. Okay, telecharge, telecharge to download. partager, to share. So all the verbs which end in GER, ये वाला rule वहाँ पे automatically apply हो जाएगा. Again, the rule says add an extra E after the G in the new form only. Next one, commosaire. Commosaire में C के नीचे उल्टा C in the new form. Again, this is applied to all the CER verbs. Okay, all the verbs that end in CER, this rule is applied to all of them. Okay. Now, before we start with this, Kushi, I'm unmuting you. Kushi Vora from Ghatkopar. Kushi, can you hear me, dear? Okay, let me know in the chat who wants to answer. They are simple questions. Okay, Kushi's mic is not working. Aldrin and Lisha have raised hands. So first I'll ask Aldrin and then I'll come back to Lisha. Okay, Lisha, just hold on. Yes, Aldrin. Aldrin, you have to unmute from your end too. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So Aldrin, how do you conjugate the acheter verb? Just tell me the irregular part over here.
We add e graph
Yes.
before
कौन सा वाला e ग्राव लेगा?
t के पहले.
Okay. Only in the verb acheter, हाँ? नहीं तो we have to remember second last e.
Yeah.
So that takes e graph where? For which subject pronouns, Aldrin?
Hello.
Yeah, e graph for which subject pronouns, Aldrin?
Only for Ashiter.
Which subject pronouns? Do you add the e graph for all the subject pronouns? Jyotyu, Ilel, Nuvu, Ilel?
No.
Then?
For.
Yeah, see, I'm getting the answers in the chat. Okay. Aldrin, we mute you. Anyone would like to add to what he said? Lisha has. Okay, Lisha, I'm unmuting you.
Yes,
Yeah, Lisha. So finish what he said. He said we add the e graph. Do we add it everywhere, Lisha?
no,
Where do you add the e graph?
we graph in the Q form.
Only the Q form.
Yeah, I mean in imperative or present.
Present tense, Lisha. We've not yet started imperative.
Okay, present tense. We don't add it in nu and wo. Rest all of the.
Exactly. Very good. So the e graph is added everywhere except in the nu and wo forms. Thank you, Lisha. Next, who would like to answer? Let me know in the chat or raise hand. Srushti is raising hand. Srushti. Just hold on, Srushti.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, dear. Okay. Srushti, manger mein what is the irregular part?
Miss, the no form takes E before ONS.
Very good. What is the irregular part in CER verbs?
CR, the in no form, the C takes a sidea.
Very, very good. What are the endings of ER verbs?
E, ES, EE, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT.
Very, very good. Perfect, Srishti. Pat yourself. Thank you so much. So, we finished GER verbs, CER verbs, acheter, and we discussed aller, savoir, and vouloir. Okay. Now I'm going to start with imperative. We are done discussing present tense. I repeat, now we are starting with imperative. Okay. Now let's see how exactly is imperative used, why is imperative used, and so on. So if you see, this is a screenshot taken from your 8th standard textbook. ये तुमको पेज देखा हुआ लग रहा होगा, है ना? जब बच्चे थे छोटे छोटे तभी ये किया था. So here imperative is explained in very short, but now we have advanced level of imperative. मतलब we have, अगर irregular part देखोगे आप in the yellow box, there are only 2 of the irregular verbs given, but now we have 4 of them. We will see which are those 4 and so on. So let's start with imperative. Firstly, imperative is used for giving orders, commands, requests, suggestions, and so on. Okay. Why is this tense used? Imperative is used to give command, order, instruction, request, or suggestion. I repeat, imperative is used to give command, order, instruction, request, or suggestion. Command, order, instruction, request, suggestion. Command, order, instruction, request, suggestion. Okay. So now, because this tense is used to give an order, okay, order देने के लिए use कर. So out of the subject pronouns, I'm starting with je, okay, je, tu, il, el, nu, vu, il, el. Tell me in the chat if we can give order in the je form. Je matlab I. Can I give order to myself? No. Very good. Very good. Tu form. Can I give order in the tu form? You. Can I give order to you? Yes. Yes. Absolutely correct. Then il and l form. Il and l form. He and she को order दे सकते हैं. He get up, she get up, he dance, she dance. No. Okay, that doesn't work. That doesn't sound correct. That doesn't work. Then can I give order to all of us? Okay, let us finish our syllabus quickly. Let us make sure no one disturbs. Yes, very good. So in the nu form, it is absolutely possible. In the wu form, you all finish your work. You all maintain silence. Yes, absolutely correct. Yes. अभी इल एल हमने आउट किया तो इल जेल्स होगा क्या? नो. सो कौन सा 3 सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस बचा? लेट मी नो इन द चैट. Which are the 3 subject pronouns to which we apply? Yes. So we are left with only tu, nu, and vu. Very good, Palak. Very good, Shivani, Samara, Isha, Lisha, Shikha. Very good. So we are left with tu, nu, and vu forms. Yeah, I see more comments coming. Thank you so much. So it seems you have understood this. So now here in the imperative, when I'm giving the order, okay, listen carefully. The question is, when I'm giving the order, which tense do I use while I'm giving the order? Finish your work. Do not make noise. कौन सा टेंस यूज कर रहे हैं? डू नॉट मेक नॉइज. फिनिश योर वर्क. यस यस, वेरी गुड एल्ड्रिन. इट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. आई डू नॉट से फिनिश्ड योर वर्क, है ना? पास्ट टेंस में ऑर्डर नहीं दे सकते, फ्यूचर टेंस में ऑर्डर नहीं दे सकते. सो रिमेंबर, imperative is nothing but an extension of present tense. Okay, तो हम लोग present tense का ही you, nu and who form use करेंगे. We will skip the other subject pronouns because वो subject pronouns में हम order नहीं दे सकते. So we are going to stick to present tense of you, nu, and who. That is how we come up with the first formation rule. Okay. So I displayed on the screen. Take the present tense conjugation of you, nu, and who forms only. Okay, because it is imperative, you, nu, and who ही use करेंगे. Secondly, orders and commands and requests, they are given in present tense. So take the present tense conjugation of you, nu, and who only. I hope the first rule is clear. Now I am going to take an example of an IR verb. Finir. ये finir के ऊपर हम first rule apply करेंगे. It says take present tense conjugation of you, nu, and who forms. Okay. So I will skip all the subject pronouns. I will take the conjugation only in tu, nu, and who forms. Tu fini, nu finiso, who finise. IR ड्रॉप किया, एंडिंग्स IS, ISS ONS, ISS EZ, प्रेजेंट टेंस वाला एंडिंग्स लगाया. So I have applied the first rule over here. जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया, टेक द प्रेजेंट टेंस कॉन्जुगेशन ऑफ क्यू नो वो, मैंने फिनिर के लिए प्रेजेंट टेंस कॉन्जुगेशन लिया. सिर्फ क्यू, नु एंड वो फॉर्म्स में. ओके, so this is how the first rule is applied. Now let's go ahead with the second rule. When I give the order, do I necessarily write the subject pronouns? See, I can give an order without the subject pronouns or not. Check, get up, finish your work, drink some water. है ना? So when I'm giving the order, the subject pronouns are absent absolutely. है ना? So that is how we come up with the second formation rule, which is drop the subject pronouns. Okay, so subject pronouns कौन से है यहाँ पे senior के conjugation में? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, Shivani, yes, very good. Q, nu and wu, very good. Shivani, Lisha, Shikha, very good. So yes, Srushti, very good. So the subject pronouns here are very good, Aldrin. Q, nu and wu, उसको हम drop कर देंगे, है ना, उसको हटा देंगे. Now we have got the imperative form of finir. जो screen पे दिख रहा है, that is the imperative form of finir by just applying these two rules. कौन सा two rules apply किया? Rule number 1, take the present tense conjugation of q, nu and wu only. तो हमने वो लिया. Second thing, drop the subject pronoun. Okay, तो हमने वो drop किया. So we've got the imperative form. The translation is finish, let us finish, finish. Yes, you can add the exclamation mark as well, Shivani. Okay, finish, let us finish, finish. Shikha, we have not yet gone ahead with the third rule, so hold on. 2 rules so far. Okay, हमने 2 rules apply किए अभी तक. First rule, take the present tense conjugation of q, nu and wu only. Second rule, drop the subject pronouns. Okay, so we apply the 2 rules and we got the imperative form of finir. Any doubt so far in the 2 rules? Let me know in the chat. No. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Now I will give another verb, wander. Okay, what you are going to do is apply the 2 rules to this verb, wander, in the chat. Conjugate wander in the imperative form by applying the 2 rules that we just discussed in the chat. Very good, Rashi. Perfect. Your answer is perfect. Okay. Rashi, except for one small thing. I'll correct you when I'm discussing that. Palak, perfect. पलक, आपका conjugations आपने 2 verbs को mix कर दिया है. Otherwise it is fine. You've mixed wander and vanir. Srushti, one tiny error. Okay. Okay. So there are some silly mistakes I see in the chat. So far, okay, I don't see any perfect answer. Let's see why your answers are not perfect and where you are going wrong. Rule number 1. Let's apply rule number 1. Take the present tense of q, nu and wu. तो हमने present tense यहाँ पे लिया. अब present tense में क्या है? Be very careful. BENDS, S है, हम drop नहीं कर रहे हैं अभी तक. We have not learned the third rule yet. RE verbs के लिए ये rule नहीं apply करना है. Okay? So VENDS remains VENDS. Nu form VENDONS, wu form VENDEZ. ये present tense लिया हमने Q, nu and wu forms का. Second rule, drop the subject pronoun. तो हमने वो हटा दिया. So this is the imperative form now. Sell, let us sell, sell. Okay. Now the error over here that most of you made is first one. Wander में Q form में S drop किया. That was not needed. वो नहीं करना है. I will come to that rule later on. Okay. वो third rule अभी तक हमने सीखा नहीं है, apply भी नहीं करना है. So VENDS में S retain करना है, S रखना है, S drop नहीं करना है अभी तक. Then वोंदो and वोंदे, ये दोनों में आपने वेनो एंड वेने कर दिया. वेनो एंड वने इज वनीर का कॉन्जुगेशन है ना. VENONS VENEZ, वो तो वनीर का कॉन्जुगेशन हो गया. So this is where we mixed up the 2 verbs. Wander. How do you know now you mixed up the 2 verbs? Check करो. VENDRE, RE verb है, RE drop करो and उसको ONS लगाओ, तो VENDONS. Getting me? Regular verbs discuss कर रहे हैं हम अभी तक. Now let's take the ER verb. All right. I repeat the two rules. ये दो rule हम ER verb में भी apply करेंगे. First rule. Take the present tense conjugation of Q, nu and Wu only. So let's take the present tense conjugation of Q, nu and Wu. Q का PARLES. Okay. Nu का PARLONS. Wu का PARLEZ. So हमने first rule apply कर दिया. Present tense of Q, nu, Wu is over here. Second rule. Drop the subject pronoun. हमने subject pronoun भी drop कर लिया. Now, this is where the third rule comes into picture. Yeah. So if you see the ER that is flashing on the screen, this is an ER ending verb. So third rule is applied in ER ending verbs only. I repeat, for ER ending verbs only the third rule is applied. What is the third rule now? The third rule says drop the last S. Drop the last S. कहाँ से? Q form में से. Q form का last S drop करने का conjugation में से. तो हमने ये Q form है ना, PARLES, नीचे वाला PARLONS nu है, इसके नीचे वाला PARLEZ वो है. So the rule says drop the last S from the Q form. This happens only for ER ending verbs. तो हमने जो ऊपर drop किया ना वॉन्द्र में, now you know why it was wrong. वो ऊपर वाला verb RE verb है. RE verb में ये rule apply नहीं करने का, S drop नहीं करने का for RE verbs. So the rule says for all the ER ending verbs only, for all the ER ending verbs only, drop the last S from the Q form. Drop the last S from the Q form. Okay, I repeat, this rule is applied for all ER verbs only. What is the rule? Drop the last S from the Q form only. तो ये वाला S Q form का है, हमने drop किया. Getting me? We have applied this third rule only for ER verb. Parley is ER verb. Okay. Shivani, I will answer this question in a while. I see the question. Just hold on. So till here it is clear. There are three rules. Rule number 1, take present tense of Q, nu and Wu. Rule number 2, drop subject pronouns. Rule number 3, for ER verbs only, drop the last S from the Q form. Okay, खाली ER verbs के लिए third rule याद रखना है. Now I am going to unmute one person and you will tell me the three rules that you've learned so far. Let me know who knows all the three rules very well in the chat and I'll unmute you. Okay. Samara is raising hand. Shrishti is raising. Shikha is raising hand. Okay. Shikha, I will unmute you. Shikha, can you hear me? Am I audible, Shikha? Let me see. Looks like she has some problem. Shikha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Audible?
Yeah, just be a little louder or keep the mic
Yes.
near you. While you speak, keep the mic near
Yes,
you.
yes.
Yeah, so that way you will be a little louder.
Now?
Okay. Yes, better. Shikha, yes, go ahead with the three rules.
Okay, ma'am. First rule, take the present tense conjugation of the tu, nu and wu form only.
Very good. Rule number 2.
Drop the subject pronoun.
Very good. Rule number 3.
And third rule, drop the sense of er ending verb of tu.
Okay. Shikha, there was some problem while you were saying the third rule. So please repeat the third rule again.
Drop the last s of tu form only of er ending verb.
Okay, I see there is still some problem from your end. So first two rules you've given perfectly. I'll mute you, Shikha, and I'll ask the third rule to someone else so that we can hear it clearly. Anyone for third rule? Yeah. Yes, Srushti.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello, dear. Third rule.
Miss, third rule says that for ER ending verbs, the S will be removed of the Q form.
Very good. Perfect. Very good, Srushti. So we are done with the three rules of imperative, three main rules of imperative. Now I will give one verb in the chat, and you conjugate that in present in imperative. Imperative, I repeat. Shante, to sing. The verb is in the chat. You can put the answers. Okay, while you're putting the answers, remember, type all the three forms and then press enter. Okay, that way correction becomes easier for me. Shivani, your answer is perfect. Lisha, your answer is perfect. Waiting for more answers to come in the chat. Ved, perfect. Shikha, perfect. Konda, perfect. Rashi, perfect. Srushti, perfect. Very good. So it seems you've understood. Isha, Srushti, Rashi, Ved, very good. Perfect. Okay. Now I'll give another verb. Okay. Ale. Conjugate ale in the chat. यो ALLE conjugation कब से हो गया शिवानी? Ale is irregular ना, हमने सीखा याद है? Yes, Lisha, your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. For others, I'm going to display the conjugation. Nope, you are writing our conjugation as aller conjugation. Do not mix up the verbs. Srushti, your answer is perfect. Rashi, your answer is near to perfect. Okay. There is one slight error over here. So let's discuss this on screen. First one. QVAS. Va. VAS. We are taking the present tense. Rule number 1. Take the present tense of Q, Nu and Vu. So Q, VAS, Nu, allons, vous allez. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस कॉन्जुगेशन है. रूल नंबर 2, ड्रॉप सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. हमने ड्रॉप किया. रूल नंबर 3, फॉर ऑल ईआर वर्ब. आले ईआर वर्ब है, तो यहाँ पे एस ड्रॉप करना है इन द क्यू फॉर्म. Since most of you forgot this, I'm displaying it over here. Va, allons and aller is your answer. Okay, AIE नहीं आएगा. AYONS, AYZ is our शिखा. Okay, va, allons, aller. Aller conjugation करना है, our नहीं. This is your answer. Now, remember when you are giving an order, it is usually given in 2 forms only. सिर्फ 2 forms यहाँ पे apply होते हैं. Affirmative form मतलब positive form, जैसे go, let us go, जो यहाँ पे दिया है. And the order could also be in the negative form. For example, do not go, let's not go, do not go. Chalo, make this in negative now. Very good, Vijay. Type all the 3 and then press enter. That makes it easier for me to correct. Ale in the negative. Okay. I see one slight error. Vijay, S drop करना है VAS का. Yes. Rashi, good. Rashi has typed it perfectly. Okay. Samara, न वापा में vowel slash नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. Let me display this. There is one slight error which everyone has made. हमको पता है नेगेटिव करने के लिए हम न लिखते हैं, फिर कॉन्जुगेशन लिखते हैं एंड फिर पा लिखते हैं. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग इज इट इज न वापा. यहाँ पे वॉवल क्लैश नहीं हो रहा है तो हम NE रखेंगे, बट फ्रॉम द सेकेंड वन ऑनवर्ड द वॉवल्स आर क्लैशिंग. So nalopa and nalepa, n apostrophe, no changing to n apostrophe. Do not go, let us not go, do not go. What was important here is making sure you change the NE to N apostrophe when the vowels clash. Okay, is this clear so far? Let me know in the chat. Remember, it is very important to understand all of this because at the end you are writing a small test. So if you have any doubt, please do ask. Yeah, Aldrin says green signal, Honda says clear, Palak says clear, Shushti says yes, Shikha says yes. Okay. So let's go ahead then. I'm going to give another verb, ashete. Okay. You can type asheter in the chat. Put asheter in imperative form. Affirmative, huh? Affirmative, positive. Okay. So I was saying, remember, orders can be given in positive form or negative form. Like buy, let us buy, or do not buy, let us not buy, do not buy. You cannot say, you cannot ask a question when you are ordering, है ना? So interrogative form is never used in the imperative. Okay, imperative में interrogative form use नहीं होगा. Yeah, I see the answers coming up and they are correct, very good. Yes. So I think most of you have understood this now. I am displaying the answer. हमने tune, nu and who का conjugation लिया. Very important over here is retaining the graph. Remember we discussed asheter में second last e takes graph, nu को छोड़ के, तो tu में हम e graph लिखेंगे. That was important. Then tu nu drop किया, last s drop किया because this is er verb. So your answer over here is ashet, asheton, ashete. Buy, let us buy. Let me know the negative form in the chat. Negative form of ashete. Yes, perfect. Very good. So I wanted to see this only. Excuse me. So the negative form here is N apostrophe everywhere. This was very, very important. Okay. If you put the N apostrophe, pat yourself. Very good. You are aware of this rule then. Nashet pa, nasheton pa, nashete pa. Do not buy, let us not buy, do not buy. Okay, let's go to the next verb, manger. Put manger in the chat. Very good, Vijay. Very good, Palak. Very good, Isha, Rashi, Ved, Lisha. Perfect, very good. So it seems manger bhi sorry, manger bhi aapko aata hai. Here we took the present tense of tu novo and everyone remembered to put the extra e. Very, very good. हमने tu novo drop किया and we are left with mange, mangion, manger. Third rule apply होगा, मतलब er verb है, so we drop the last s. Now what we have is mange, mangion, manger. Eat, let us eat. अपना favorite activity. Okay, खाओ, खाते रहो, खिलाते रहो. Eat, let us eat. Okay, mange, mangion, manger. In the negative form, I know you will not like this. Do not eat, let us not eat, do not eat. अच्छा नहीं लगेगा सुनने में, but फिर भी करना है negative form. Very good, absolutely correct. So ne mange pas, ne mangions pas, ne mangez pas. What was very important here is extra e हमको लगाना था nu form में, which everyone remembered. I'll go ahead with the next verb, commencer. Commencer in the chat, please. Wow, Ved ने already डाल भी दिया. Very good, Ved, it's perfect. Seems he knew which version was coming up. Okay. Very good, very good. So I'll display the answers. What was very important here is C सेडिया हमको यहाँ पे याद रखना है अच्छे से. Okay. तो कमोसेर में हमने टू नू फॉर्म लिया प्रेजेंट टेंस का, टू नू ड्रॉप किया, er वर्ब है अगेन, तो लास्ट एस ड्रॉप करेंगे एंड वी विल बी लेफ्ट विथ कमोस, कमोसों, कमोसे. start, let us start. Negative form I'll display because now you have become champions in this. Do not start, let us not start, do not start. Ne commence pas, ne commençons pas, ne commencez pas. It's okay if you're not able to type the accent. What is important is you are remembering the rules, then it's quite okay. I see some of you had put the star mark in the commençons form. So I understood that is for accent. Okay, no worries. As long as you remember the rules, it's completely fine. In the chat, you are not putting the accent, but in the exam, while you are writing, accent डालना है यार, star mark मत डालना. Okay, now we go ahead with the exceptions. Okay, there are 4 exceptions. Before we go ahead with exceptions, I will remind the 3 rules once again. Rule number 1, take the present tense conjugation of you, nu and who form. Rule number 2, drop the subject pronoun. Rule number 3, for ER verbs only, drop the last S from Q form. Okay. Now the exceptions. Okay. Because it is imperative, the exception shows only Q, nu and who. Now, let's see the first exception, être. Être in present tense is like this, QA, nous sommes, vous êtes. है ना, present tense में वो ऐसा दिखता है. But because this is imperative and because this is exception, यहाँ पे verb will totally change to स्वा, स्वइयों, स्वइये. Alright, ये हमको learn करना पड़ेगा, याद रखना पड़ेगा, memorize करना पड़ेगा. स्वा, स्वइयों, स्वइये. Be, let us be. Être is स्वा, स्वइयों, स्वइये. Remember, it's completely changing. तो ये हमको memorize करना पड़ेगा. After être, avoir. Avoir in present tense looks like this. Tu as, nous avons, vous avez. But yes, absolutely correct. I see answers coming up in the chat. Ay, ayant, ayez. Okay. Ay, ayant, ayez. Then être, avoir, savoir. Savoir is say. Tu sais, nous savons, vous savez. Remember, this is why I showed present tense of savoir, être, avoir and vouloir in the beginning. So say, savons, savez is completely changing to sache, sachons, sachez. Okay, remember. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा हमको. Sache, sachons, sachez. Vouloir. Vouloir looks like this in present tense. If you remember, tu veux, nous voulons, vous voulez. But in imperative, veuille, veuillons, veuillez. Now this vouloir is very, very important because 90% of the students go wrong in the spelling. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 back to back vowels है. V, E, U, I. तो ये vowels वो लोग आगे पीछे कर लेते हैं generally. Remember, it is V, E, U, I. V, E, U, I. E, U, I. Okay. V, E, U, I, L, L, E. V, E, U, I. V, E, U, I, L, L याद हुआ तो बाद में तो खाली ending लगाना है. Nu form में ONS, वो form में EZ. Same for sash. साश याद है तो साशों, साशे, ONS, EZ वही चेंज करना है. बट एत्र एंड आवर में यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर YONS, YEZ वो आ रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, सो योर एक्सेप्शंस आर एत्र, आवर, सावर, वुलुवार. ओके, एक्सेप्शंस वंस अगेन, एत्र, आवर, सावर, वुलुवार. एत्र, आवर, सावर, वुलुवार. एत्र, आवर, सावर, वुलुवार. Not only this, इसका conjugation भी याद रखना है हमको. स्वा, स्वइयों, स्वइये for être. Avoir, ay, ayant, ayez. Savoir, sache, sachons, sachez. Vouloir, veuille, veuillons, veuillez. Okay, I'll keep the slide over here for a minute. Go through this and then I will be asking questions based on exceptions. अच्छे से learn करो spellings. Konda, I did not put ale in exception because you see it followed the normal rule ना. BAS का खाली S ड्रॉप किया क्योंकि वो ER था. बाद में आलो एंड आले तो सेम था. कॉन्जुगेशन स्पेलिंग चेंज नहीं हुआ उधर. गेटिंग मी अथर्व, कोंडा? Done, great. Okay, in the chat be ready to type. Okay, let me see किसने अच्छे से परफेक्टली किया है. So the first question goes like this. Put the answer in the chat here. Etra ka Q form in the chat quickly. Very good, Aldrin, Shivani, Samara. No, Samara. No, somebody had put Savuar instead of Etra. Samara, Sash is Savuar, not Etra. Rest of you have put it correctly. Very good, very good. Samara ने खुद correction किया. शिखा, सृष्टि, विजय, पलक, वेद, होंडा, शिवानी, okay, Lisha, Aldrin. Very good, very good. Srishti, in case I have not mentioned your name, all your answers are perfect. So here is the answer. I have displayed it on the screen as well. Second question. Be ready to type. 1, 2, 3, go. Avoir in new form. Avoir hai, avoir, avoir, please. Swayon etra ka hai. Do not mix avoir and etra. New form hai, वो form नहीं. Please read the question correctly. Aldrin, new form hai. Very good, Palak, Shivani, Isha, Honda, Ved, Samara, Srishti. Aldrin, it is new form. Okay, correct करो खुद को. Vijay, very good. Isha, yes, Aldrin ने correction भेजा. Very good. Next verb, be ready. AYONS. Those who wrote SOYONS, वो एत्रा का है. हाँ, do not mix up the verbs. तो ये टेबल हमको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. That way you will remember and not mix it up. Next one, be ready. Savoir in the who form. Oh my God, the answers are going so fast. Perfect so far. Ved, correct. Lisha, Vijay, Shivani, Palak, very good. Srishti, Aldrin, Samara, Honda, very good. Perfect. I'll display the answer now. Very good. Well done. Fourth one, Q in Bulwar. Bulwar in the Q form. हाँ, very good. क्या बात है, ये भी स्पेलिंग याद रहा. शिवानी, अच्छे से देखो, वॉवेल्स आपने मैसअप कर दिया. Yes, Shikha, even you check your vowels. There are 3 back-to-back vowels, which is why you people are getting confused. V E U I, E U I, E U I, V E U I. Okay, so पहले E, फिर U, फिर I. Yeah, very good. Let's go ahead. Now I'm going to give you sentences for the test. While you are solving sentences for the test, remember, when you are जब imperative में लिख रहे हो तो they will not mention आपको क्यू में लिखना है, नो में लिखना है या वो में लिखना है, जैसे मैंने इधर प्रैक्टिस में डाला. कैसे, how will you figure out verb क्यू में जाएगा, नो में जाएगा या वो में जाएगा? How to figure that out? Okay, so I want I will not be able to give you time to write in the notebook. So what you can do is, if you need anything, go back to the recording and pause it and note it down. Okay, for anyone who wants to note down, because I won't be able to finish the test then. Yeah, so remember, go back to the recording, pause the video, whichever notes you want, and then you can copy it down. Okay, based on subject we can identify. Shivani, वही तो मैंने बोला, subject नहीं दिया होगा. I will not mention क्यू, नो and who in sentences. फिर तो कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे कि आपको वर्ब क्यू में डालना है, नो में डालना है कि वो में? I want one person to answer this. I am going to ask 2 simple questions. अच्छा, let me know in the chat who wants to answer. हाँ, yes, okay. So Shivani is giving me examples. It seems she already knows the rules. Shivani, I am going to unmute you. चलो, Shivani madam, be ready. मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया है. शिवानी, कैन यू हियर मी? अयो, गर्ल है तो एल. शिवानी, मुझे बताओ, एल आ सकता है क्या इंपेरेटिव में? हमने अभी अभी डिस्कस किया, 3 ही फॉर्म्स है, क्यू, नो, वू, है ना शिवानी? इज योर माइक वर्किंग शिवानी? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. You must be getting the notification.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hello. Okay. Shivani, stay unmuted, okay? Because I'm asking questions now. आपने बोला गर्ल है तो एल लिखेंगे, वो करेक्ट है अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस होता तो, है ना? बट दिस इज इम्परेटिव, अभी इम्परेटिव में एल तो लिख ही नहीं सकते हम, याद है? टेक द प्रेजेंट टेंस ऑफ क्यू नू एंड वो ओनली बोला हमने, तो सिर्फ क्यू नू एंड वो वैलिड है इधर, बराबर शिवानी?
Yes.
ओके, सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू सर्टेन हिंट्स एंड आप मुझे बताओ आप क्यू नू या वो में से कौन सा चूज करोगे, ओके? फर्स्ट वन, इफ आई से धोनी, तो क्यू नू या वो कौन सा चूज करोगे?
Q.
वेरी गुड. इफ आई से मसियर धोनी, तो कौन सा चूज करोगे?
Woo.
वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. नाउ इफ आई से धोनी एंड साक्षी,
No.
नू नू हम है क्या धोनी एंड साक्षी? थिंक थिंक.
Woo.
यस यस, करेक्ट. इफ आई से शिवानी ए मुआ, शिवानी ए मुआ में क्या आएगा? एनीवन
वी.
प्लस मुआ.
Vinu.
Very good, very good. So anyone plus mua, in case it comes, it is always nu. Similarly, anyone plus tua आया तो शिवानी?
Your Woo.
Yes, absolutely correct. Now I say Tom and Jerry.
Woo.
Very good. दो है ना तो who. If I say Mark, MARC.
Q.
Repeat शिवानी, Mark के लिए क्या बोला?
Q.
Very good, very good. If I say Madam Shivani.
No.
कौन सा वाला बोल रहे हो, एन वाला की वी वाला?
Q.
मैं हूँ क्या मैडम शिवानी?
No then N वाला.
नहीं, शिवानी मैडम एक ही बोल रही हूँ ना मैं. नू इज वी व्हेन देयर आर टू पीपल.
Then Q.
मैडम शिवानी को तू बोल सकते हैं क्या? मैडम शिवानी को क्या बोलेंगे हम अभी जो बचा हो ना शिवानी?
Woo.
हाँ, है ना? जैसे मिस्टर धोनी को हमने वो बोला बट सिर्फ धोनी को हमने त्यू बोला, है ना? सो रिमेम्बर व्हेन इट्स जस्ट पर्सन्स नेम, वन पर्सन्स नेम हम तू बोल सकते हैं, बट व्हेन दैट पर्सन्स नेम इज रिटन विथ मिस्टर मैडम ऐसा कुछ तो हम वो लिखेंगे, मतलब आप, है ना? रिस्पेक्ट देना पड़ेगा. गेटिंग मी एवरीवन? Now you can put the answers in the chat. Okay, there is one more thing. Thank you, Shivani. I have muted you. One more thing. Suppose the sentence has no hint at all. किसी का नाम नहीं दिया है, कुछ नहीं दिया है, तो you will conjugate the verb in the who form. Yes, I see the answers coming up in the chat. Very good. So if there is no hint given, put the answer in the who form. अच्छा, क्यों नो वो conjugate करोगे, but क्यों नो वो लिखोगे नहीं. Remember, drop the subject pronouns. तो क्यों नो वो में आइडेंटिफिकेशन करोगे बट क्यों नो वो लिखोगे नहीं आंसर में, पेयर वर्क में नहीं आना चाहिए. नाउ आई विल आस्क द क्वेश्चंस एंड यू पुट द आंसर्स इन द चैट. आई से विराट कोहली, पुट द आंसर इन द चैट. क्या डालोगे? क्यों नो के वो. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. पलक, वो लिखोगे ओनली व्हेन आई से मसियर विराट कोहली, है ना? मैंने खाली विराट कोहली बोला तो ही इज माय फ्रेंड, तो उसको मैं तू बुला सकती हूँ. व्हेन आई से मिस्टर विराट कोहली, ओके, मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, अभी क्या लिखोगे? Woo, very good, very good. Now I say Virat Kohli and Narendra Modi. Woo, still woo, very good. I say Virat Kohli a Mua, MOI. Yes, yes, absolutely correct. Okay, now I don't say any name, but sentence में नोत्र है, नोत्र, NOTRE, तो क्या लिखोगे? NOTRE, N. Yes, very good. अभी again there is no person's name, but sentence में TES है, TES. Absolutely correct. समझ रहे हैं ना कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करने का? So somewhere or the other hint will be given in the sentence itself. वैसे ही आपको देख के तो ता ते तुआ हुआ तो त्यू फॉर्म लिखो, नोत्र नोत्र नो हुआ तो नु फॉर्म, वत्र वत्र वो हुआ तो वो फॉर्म. ओके, इफ आई से माय चिल्ड्रन, तो क्या लिखोगे? मेज enfants, मेज étudiants. Woo, very good, very good. Woo. No नहीं शिवानी, because my children में it's you all, मैं included नहीं हूँ, भी नहीं बोल सकते ना, you all. Getting me, Shivani? Yeah, so it seems now you are ready for the test. Keep your book and pen ready. I'll display the questions. Be ready with a pen and a book. Let me know ready in the chat. Yeah, Purva is ready from Takshila branch. Shikha is ready. Very good, very good. Okay. So I display the questions. Before I do that, I want you to go through the irregular table once again. Especially वुलुआर का conjugation, जहाँ पे 3 vowels back to back आ रहे हैं, अच्छे से देख लो. And एत्रा and आवर इस बार मिक्स मत करना. एत्रा इस बार साइयों साइये, आवर इज ए, एयों ए. सावुआर स्टैश, स्टैशों स्टैशे, वुलुआर वही, वहियों वही. कैसे याद रखोगे? एत्रा सिर्फ फॉर्म्स ऑफ अवुआर जैसा है. एत्रा अवुआर, सावुआर, वुलुआर. एत्रा अवुआर, सावुआर, वुलुआर. एत्रा अवुआर, सावुआर, वुलुआर. ओके, ये वाले वर्ब्स आए तो ये टेबल याद रखना. Okay, I'm displaying the questions now. Here they are. Start. Answers in the notebook, Palak. Everyone, answers in the notebook. अभी के लिए खाली वर्ब लिखो तो चलेगा, बट इन द एग्जाम फुल सेंटेंस लिखना प्लीज, याद से. आंसर इन फुल सेंटेंस, अंडरलाइन द आंसर फॉर द एग्जाम. एज ऑफ नाउ, सिंस वी आर सेविंग टाइम, आंसर खाली कॉन्जुगेशन लिख के छोड़ दो. अगर फुल सेंटेंस लिखना हो फिर भी तो रिकॉर्डिंग में जाके बाद में पॉज करके लिख देना. अभी खाली कॉन्जुगेशंस लिखो. Shivani, answers in the notebook. In the notebook, Shivani. Done. Shivani is done. I will wait for others and then we'll discuss. Palak is done. Very good. क्या बात है, फटाफट जा रहा है. Shushti is done. Konda is done. Disha is done. Superb. Excellent. आज सब एकदम फटाफट कर रहा है, एकदम राजधानी एक्सप्रेस जैसे. Shikha done. Very good. Okay, shall we start discussing then? Anyone still writing? Let me know in the chat. Anyone still writing? You can put wait in the chat. I'll wait. Yes, Purva, we will discuss this. Hold on, okay? Être à l'heure pour le rendezvous, mark. Être à l'heure pour le rendezvous. So here, be on time for the meeting, mark. Or be on time for the appointment. Rendezvous could mean appointment or meeting, depending on the context. Okay, let's start discussing then. Everyone puts the first answer only. Only the first answer. Please do not go ahead. Yes, absolutely correct. Palak, Shivani, Atharva, Purva, Lisha. No, Lisha. Okay, I'll explain why your answer is wrong. Others, put it in the chat. Shikha, no. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, no worries. If it's wrong, it's absolutely no, not a problem. You're writing this for the first time. Srishti, हम discuss करेंगे. No worries. Okay, so I'll display the answer. YA नहीं आएगा, SOYZ नहीं आएगा. अगर मिस्टर मार्क बोला मैंने तो आप वो फॉर्म में लिखोगे. मैंने सिर्फ मार्क बोला ना, एक ही बंदे का नाम बोला एंड सीधा मार्क बोला, तो I can write it in the tube form, SOIS. है ना? Remember, when it's just the name of person, tube form. when it's name of person with Mr, Miss or Mrs or something like that, तो ही हम वो फॉर्म में डालेंगे. Is that clear, Srishti? Who else was it? Shikha, let me know. Is it clear to you now? Yes, good. So first one, be on time for the meeting, comma, mark. Rendezvous, meeting or appointment. All right, Shivani? Yes. Next one, put the second one in the chat. Very good, Palak, Purva, Shikha, Shivani, Srishti, perfect, very good. So again, Paul है ना, एक ही बंदे का नाम है, तो हमने few फॉर्म में डाला फिर से. What was very important here is ये ER verb है, तो यहाँ पे few फॉर्म ने आपने conjugate किया, S भी ड्रॉ करना था. That was very very important. AJOUTES होता है प्रेजेंट टेंस में, बट हमने S ड्रॉप किया बिकॉज इट इज ER verb in the Q form. थर्ड रूल अप्लाई किया हमने, which everyone remembered. Very good. Let's go ahead. थर्ड वाला in the chat. Perfect, Lisha, Shikha, Palak, perfect. Purva, the hint over here is notre. देखो in the sentence notre मतलब नो फॉर्म है ना. Very good, Vaishnavi. Konda, good. Okay, great. So most of you have written it correctly. The hint over here is notre मतलब नो फॉर्म, MANGEONS. पूर्वा आप ई भूल गए, अदरवाइज द कॉन्जुगेशन आपने आइडेंटिफाई अच्छे से किया कि ये नो फॉर्म है, पर हमको याद रखना है ना ये GER वर्ब है, तो एक्स्ट्रा ई. ओके, फोर्थ वन, बी केयरफुल, इट इज नेगेटिव. क्या बात है, एक्सीलेंट, सबने राइट लिखा है. ओके, ईशा, आई विल कम बैक टू यू. मेज आमी, माय फ्रेंड्स, बहुत सारे हैं ना ईशा, तो हम क्यू फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते, वी हैव टू राइट इट इन द वो फॉर्म. ओके, न स्वाइए पा, मेज आमी, माय फ्रेंड्स. So let's assume you all are my friends. I will write it in the who form, no? Who. I am not included in this. My friends, I'm talking to them. So who form. Yeah, no form हुआ तो anyone plus मुआ आएगा. Yes, very good, Shivani. Next, last one. No hint given. Last में no hint given. Let me see. Ved, good. मैंने बताया था hint नहीं दिया तो कौन से फॉर्म में लिखना है. Okay, some of you have typed the correct answers. Only the endings are not perfect. हाँ, endings अच्छे से देखो. Yes, Vijay has typed it absolutely perfectly. Okay, let me show the endings. Most of you have gone wrong in the conjugation. तुम लोग ने वो फॉर्म आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया यहाँ पे, नो हिंट गिवन तो वो फॉर्म, पर वो फॉर्म का कॉन्जुगेशन कैसे होगा, IR ड्रॉप किया. ओके, लुक एट द वर्ब शुआजीर, CHOISIR. तो CHOISIR वर्ब में से IR ड्रॉप करो, क्या बचा, CHOIS. अभी CHOIS को वो फॉर्म का एंडिंग लगाओ, तो CHOIS प्लस ISSEZ. ये ISIS दो बार आ रहा है, वो आपने मर्ज कर दिया. ओके, डू नॉट मेक दैट मिस्टेक, दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक. CHOIS इज योर बेस, फिर ISSEZ इज योर एंडिंग, इसीलिए ISIS दो बार आ रहा है स्पेलिंग में. डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज विद दैट एंड डू नॉट मिक्स इट अप. Okay, we are done with the test. Let me know your scores in the chat. 4 on 5 Konda says, very good, which is not very good, Palak, Athar, Aldrin. Okay, most of you are 3 on 5 and 4 on 5. We don't have time for quiz today, dear, okay? So we will skip that for now. It's already time up. Ved, very good, 5 on 5. Vijay, 5 on 5, very good. 50, okay, no worries. Very good, Ved, very good, Vijay. So most of your scores are good, 3 on 5, 5 on 5, 4 on 5. Any doubts so far? Let me know in the chat. Is everything understood? Okay. Very good, Palak. All right. So we'll end the session here then. Nishant sir, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we are done with the lectures. See you on Monday for new lectures. Take care. Bye. Good night. Good night, everyone.